Our top 5 best desoldering stations. Within the electronics DIY community, a desoldering station is categorized under the Pro section. A key element to complete a DIY electronics workstation, a desoldering station helps in carefully removing the solder off from complicated and crucial boards and equipment without hurting the circuitry. These stations use the principle of heating the solder and vacuum in order to get the job done. 1 number product. Amnesty desoldering station. First on our list is an Amnesty Pro digital vacuum-based desoldering station. It is highly reviewed and rated and has a US-based power cord too. Starting off with the basics of the device, it has a pretty standard built body that has vacuum-based heating. Quick in its function, the desoldering station is designed for lead-free desoldering in particular but can be used for other dip components solder clearance. 2 number product. Aoyue 474A++ desoldering station. Next on our list is an 80 watts digital desoldering station. The Aoyue 474A++ is a desoldering station that comes with a built-in vacuum pump of its own. This digital desoldering station can be configured by the user itself from 1 minute to 60 minutes of idle to auto sleep function. This will aid in saving power overall. It has a total temperature range between 150 degrees to 380 degrees centigrade. Digital controls on the machine make digital calibration easier for the machine. 3 number product. YIHUA desoldering station. One-of-a-kind machine. The next entry on our list is a dual-purpose soldering station. The YIHUA 948 SD Safe is an 80-watt 2-in-1 station that acts as both a soldering station and also as a desoldering station as well. Here, the soldering station has a 60-watt power rating whereas the desoldering station has an 80-watt rating. It comes in a compact body and this upgraded version of the desoldering station comes with a PID which has programmable temperature control features implanted within it. 4 number product. Newecolex desoldering station. Next on our list is Newecolex's desoldering station. This desoldering station uses a 858D microcontroller that quickly heats the soldering station to the set temperature within 3 to 5 seconds. You can heat the soldering station to a maximum temperature of 500 degrees Celsius with the lowest temperature being 100 degrees Celsius. The desoldering station features a digital LED display that provides useful information including the temperature of the tool. 5 number product. Aolo 701A++ desoldering station. For the final entry on our list, we have yet another Aolo product. The Aolo 701A++ is not much like the Aolo 474 version mentioned above. The 701A++ has dual functionality and moreover, it works with lesser wattage than the 474 version. This one also comes with a smoke absorber as well. Starting off with the primary function, the 701A++ is a digital soldering device that comes with a modest 24-volt output. Thanks for watching this video.